Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in and watching my channel. I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy. I hope everybody is getting the rest that they need, enjoying this time at home the best that you can if you have to be home. Good luck to everybody who has to homeschool. I officially start tomorrow. Not excited. I am actually. I'm kind of excited to see how my kid does. I don't know, maybe I'll do some updates on that while I'm crafting and tell you guys how that's going. Anyhow, in today's video, I just wanted to show you guys a couple of finds. I had to run out to the store and pick up some supplies for the house to keep stocked. And I figured, why not stock up the art studio so that I can have some stuff to do myself for the next few weeks, since I will really be at home all day. And so let's have at it. Here we go. Here, I will say I absolutely am obsessed with the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you some awesome Dollar Tree finds that I found. Okay, we have here some beads, and they do have a little bit of a shine to them, and I like them because the inserts are just wide enough and small enough that I can weave a like a wax thread through them if I wanted to, or I can put a pin through them or a link. So I can use these for so many different things. Keychains, charms, they're like filler beads, so absolutely love them. And they're way smaller than any of the bead molds that I have, so that's pretty cool too. I got those for $1, and I got some new rulers. This way, when I take pictures, I thought, you know what, let me get some cool, fun, transparent colors, so that way when I take pictures, you can see really what size they are and for that sort of thing. So just some rulers, 2 for $1. Ooh, I got these here, these organizers. I don't have this size yet. I have other sizes, like I have this little one here. Oh, I have that little one here. I have this size here that I also got at the Dollar Tree, but I figured these would be good for the bigger charms or charm sets that I have inventory maybe. And then $1 each. I got this tray so that I can put here in the center of my desk. I usually have like a little towel or something, but I found that sometimes it goes through, oh, I keep dropping stuff, my towels, and it's staining my desk. Oh no, can't have that. So I thought, let's find a simple tray. We kept it white so that way you can see everything I'm doing a little more clear. And this is a lunch tray, I think. It was in the section with all the cups and kid plates and things like that, but I figured it was perfect for this. And it has these little compartments, not compartments, but these little slots, whatever you want to call this here. So keeps my stuff separate if I need to. I found these little cups for my resin because when I get lazy, yes, your girl gets lazy sometimes, and I don't wash out my little containers that I do my resin mixes in. So I thought, you know what, I'll just get some of these. I could throw them away. I'm pretty sure I could find these at Amazon for way more for my buck. But we needed some supplies right now to keep us busy at home, so those will do. Ooh, I found these also. I really like these because they're big enough that I can get a paintbrush small enough that I can write on them or do initials, all kinds of fun stuff. So pick those up at the Dollar Tree. What else? Oh, and I did get these. Let's bring these into the light. I got 4 of them, and they're little drawers. They're clear little drawers at the Dollar Tree for $1 each, but they stack up and they pull out. And I thought they were really cool because I could put little rhinestones on those little handles there. Just give it a touch of color. And I got 4 of them. And I figured I'll see how I can fill these up and go get some more. I also found some craft wire. It's not a whole lot. It's about an 18 to 20 gauge if I'm not mistaken. but it is nice and thick. So I thought I can probably figure out how to make some pendants or something with that. I got a red and a purple because that's all they had. Again, I think it's like a 18 to 20 gauge. Fun stuff. And then I got these a couple of trips ago. I had a few before that came in this like compartment, something or another. That was a gift, but I found these at the Dollar Tree. And yes, at one time I was pregnant and at home enough that I separated these by color and shape, and these are the ones that I have managed to keep organized throughout the years. But before they were here, they were something more like this. And one by one I plucked them. I had time on my hands at one point in my life. And then these are the other containers that I got from the Dollar Tree, just like the white one. Again, a lot of compartments, different sizes. Absolutely love those. I use those for the charms and resin beads and things that I make, and I want to store them. All right, what else? I think, oh, so that's all from the Dollar Tree, but I did have to run to Walmart and grab a gallon of milk, which they only do give you 1 gallon of milk, but one is better than nothing. And I grabbed these flake foil confetti. I cannot wait to use these. Let's see if they look better in the light. I cannot wait to use them. Oh gosh, those are so pretty. If the light would just catch it right. It is nighttime here also, so. And I have hardwood floors and tan walls, so it looks a little more dim. So I got that packet for like $3, and I got this fun packet. Oh, I cannot wait to use these. I am pretty sure if I went to Michael's or something, I could have used a coupon, but hey, Michael's everywhere is closed. So we needed some stuff now, and we got it. Thank you, Wal-Mart. And then I picked up some magnets because I got an idea that I want to try and work with. So 52, and again, I don't know, maybe $3, $4 at Walmart. Fun finds. Fun finds. So there you have it. If you are going to make a quick trip to the Dollar Tree and you want to try and do some crafting while you are at home in quarantine, staying indoors, I would suggest to try the Dollar Tree first. They have a bunch of things that you can do, even simple stuff. It doesn't, they obviously don't have like a huge, you know, selection, but they definitely have enough to have fun and get some stuff going for all you crafters and those who are at home enough to try something new. Look at all this fun stuff, all this color. Again, I hope everybody is staying safe. If you haven't already, you can take the time to subscribe now, right down below. And yeah, I will be uploading videos. So, oh, that also reminds me to remind you that if you hit the notification bell, you will see and get reminders and notifications for, oh, and my phone is ringing. You will get reminders and notifications for when I upload. Sorry about that. For when I upload and all that jazz. Until next video, you guys, prayers up. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, hold on. Wait. Oh, hold on. Almost forgot. You can follow me on IG. I'm starting to really, you know, take some time and upload and interact on IG. Thank you to everybody who is reaching out and, you know, wishing me luck with everything. Super excited. And I also have an Etsy shop where I upload and post a lot of my stuff that I make. It is there for sale. You can also DM me, message me, comment down below. And yeah, I think that was it. Let me think. I think that's it. All right. Bye. No, wait, don't go. Not yet. I knew I almost forgot something. Everywhere at Art C Rijos. Follow me, find me everywhere at Art C Rijos. Mwah. Okay, for real, it's time. We're done. Bye.